Hi guys, this is corvette 2020. This is in auctions, but the car cannot start. Even the battery was died, and we come here to open the bonnet, but the bonnet is in very deep place that no one can access to that place easily. So now I want to show you where you can come and open the bonnet. So you have to come here, and this is the place. Now look at here, you will not see even, but here is available a small strip is available here, even though now is go to another deep place, but here this one is the thing. That one you have to see. This one, look at here, can you see or no? So you have to open from this one, and then you need to access to the battery and put the battery and start the car. But one thing more, I realize if the key is not good, the car will not start. So you have to register the car key here. This is the registration place. You need to put your key on this side. This is the way you have to do, like that one, and then you will start your car. So that's it.